Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover a locked Facebook account. First, let's understand why Facebook lock account. Facebook may lock your account if it detects unusual activity, too many login attempts, suspicious behavior, or it thinks your account has hacked. The good news is that the must-look account can be recovered. When you try to log in, Facebook will ask you a message saying your account is locked. Click Get Start or Continue on the screen. Next, Facebook will ask you to verify your identity. This can be includes confirming your email address, phone number, or receiving security code by the text or email. Enter the code carefully and follow the on-screen steps. In some cases, Facebook may ask you to upload the photo ID like your driving license or passport. Make sure the photo is clear and all details are visible, then submit it. If you don't see any recovery option, go to the Facebook Help Center and search for the locked account recovery, then fill out the recovery form. After you resign access, protect your account by changing your password immediately, turning on two-factor authentication, check your recent logins and remove any unknown devices. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.